Alright, so in the process of cleaning up, I've got some ghosts going on in here. I have power on the extension lead over here, but no power to my compressor. And it was missing all its compressor oil, and it looks like I'd left it turned on. That's bad. But on top of that, the workshop machine that I've finally just got working, now it doesn't work at all. It doesn't power on, and there is power to the actual power supply there. Even the diagnostic button won't fire it up. I may have to fall back to my old one. But before I do any of that, I'm going to have to figure out if the compressor's working. Well, I'm not sure where to go. This could be interesting. Alright, well, we've got backup machine running. This is a mechanical hard drive. It's a clone of what originally used to run what is that now that. That I worked so hard to get running. Don't know why it's not running right now. At least this is going to boot. This means we can put a job over to the laser. Now onto the air compressor. Right, now this compressor was something that was put together from bits by my late brother. And what I suspect is likely the issue is a set of contacts here that it is safely disconnected, by the way. Always make sure before you do this. So I think maybe these might have welded shut or something. The pressure switch is not working quite right. That, or it's run dry and the compressor itself has seized. So I'm not quite sure how we're going to bypass this at the moment. I'm not really game to do that with anything I can hold in my hands. So I'm going to have a think, see what we can do first. Alright, so I have cycled contacts. She's not turning on or off. Next bit will probably pull this off. Still don't know if it's switch or if it's armature contacts. I could probably put a multimeter across here, see if there's anything across the winding. Right, so I discovered something I'll show you in a minute, but we need one of these things. These are volt pens, and they'll respond to static on your shirt until you ground yourself out. But what they will also respond to is mains voltage. Not 100% reliable, but it gives us a bit of an idea. We can tell for now we've got no power there. I discovered my genius late brother, when he put this together, put a socket on here. There's a plug into the compressor there. So I can at least test that side of things. Let's plug it in over here. Alright, we have power that side, power that side, or maybe we don't. We do? Okay, there's twists in the cable and you don't always pick it up. So let's see. We have contact. We have contact there. Okay, so switch contacts, possibly not the issue. Well, let's test this. So quick little test here. When I push this down, this should stop. Alright, so the switch contacts are good. Okay, I need to get these bits off, which done up damn tight with an Allen key. Okay, I may be buying myself a new compressor soon. See how we go. Alright, now we've got the cover off here, and we can hear that, yep, the compressor is indeed working. I can hear it pumping air in. That's good. This little switch here, overload switch, it popped. There's an overload switch there. This is start capacitor, overload switch, main motor, compressor section. I've topped up the compressor section with oil, but it might be that it got hot and overloaded. We may have had some lightning strikes too, which could potentially do that. So, probably the first time I've ever overloaded it. Let's see if it works. Right, hearing protection on. We're well out of the way of the fireworks. See what happens. Beautiful. Okay, she works. So, next issue, the date is wrong because the BIOS battery's flat. The date is so far wrong I can't get it back with internet time. So I've had to hook back into a network switch out here, get it on the internet, manually correct the time. Hopefully it'll catch up, then we'll be able to get the laser up and running. Okay, we got things up and running finally. We've got everything happening. The compressor's still a bit uncovered, we will fix that next time. we'll just keep everybody out of the shed in the meantime. Okay, so I'm going to be casting some metal coins here that are going to go in a little acrylic holder. We've got a stack of spare acrylic here. Basically these are to recognise some of the best supporters of the channel, and for the people that have donated things, have gone above and beyond, have given like stuff to the people that I've tried to help, so some of the donation funds, things like that. These guys are top blokes.